Tired of manually adding dates to your Docusign agreements and risking errors? Today, we'll walk you through adding those crucial date fields in Docusign, ensuring accuracy and compliance every time. First, log into your Docusign account and open the document you want to edit. If you are preparing a new document, click on Start, or if it's an existing one, click on the Edit button to enter the editing interface. Now, on the left-hand side, find the Standard Fields section here. You'll see several options, including the date sign field, which is exactly what we need. Simply click and drag the date sign field from the left-hand panel onto your document where you want the date to appear. Place it precisely where a signature date is needed. Once placed, you can resize the field by clicking and dragging the corners. You can also adjust its properties, such as the date format, on the right-hand panel to match your document style and requirements. This step ensures that the date displayed will perfectly align with the way you need it shown. Common formats include month, day, year, or day, month, year. After placing and formatting the date fields, click the Send button in the top right corner. Docusign will automatically populate this field with the date the recipient signs the document, saving you time and guaranteeing accuracy. And that's it. You've successfully added date fields to your Docusign document now. Your agreements will have accurate dates for easy record keeping. For more Docusign tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe.